Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. NCDC, Nigeria Center for Disease Control. Our market, NCDC. NCDC, una talk say if anybody dey feel any symptoms or if anybody not well, make everybody not pack go meet am or make it distance himself from where people dey. So make it not just still carry waka go any hospital by himself. Make it call. Make it talk to doctor first. Now doctor go tell am what he go do before we go know, or he go call NCDC. NCDC. 3 days ago, one woman dey cry for Kano. They talk say NCDC don't kill my pikin. NCDC don't kill my pikin. She says she called NCDC in line 2 times. He said they pick. He said somebody wey pick talk say that they come. The woman saying call so till pikin can't die. Say no get any answer. If it be any other sickness, if it not be corona, if it be typhoid, if it be malaria, if it be body pain. But as that woman call, una supposed to answer her. Make her mind calm down. Because now una talks, put number down to call. Now, for the past 1 week now 600, over 600 people, now he don't die for Kano mysteriously now. We don't know what don't kill them now. Una so una they come, una they come, una they come. I check NCDC website throughout yesterday, reach this morning now. I never see where they for post those 640 people who don't die now and waiting kill them. NCDC, how long it go take to do autopsy, to know waiting kill them? The masses won't know. People where they hear all these calls, when they put of people where don't catch them, we won't know how it they happen. Why those people go die mysteriously, die suddenly? They need to know if na coronavirus, make people where did that environment way for happen, may they go on isolation, may they sanitize the whole place. Many people, if you don't get this thing now, they no go talk, come out. They affect other people. Just imagine the Alamajiri children where they exposed before this corona come. How you feel say they go survive? NCDC una get many work to do. I commend una for the one una done they do before. Una do well. And I want to appreciate all health workers who don't come out since this corona start. They help one way or the other. The doctors, the nurse, the midwife, even the Red Cross. Any other person who don't they contribute positively since this corona hit us for Africa. I thank una, I commend una. Make una not relent. And I also want to thank the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, for increasing the money whether they pay all these health workers for Lagos. And I beg, make you not stop to increase that money even if when corona don't go. These health workers, they help us many times, plenty times, and anytime. Federal government of Nigeria, una do well, una welcome. I know, so don't be una cause corona. Now, because of Nigerian government, corona come. It don't come for other country before it reach Nigeria. But I beg, now una say make we stay inside house, make yawa for no gas. I beg, make una feed us. Not be the one una go share bag of rice now where it don't spoil, where it don't cake, where it don't get muko. Bag of rice or rice where they green. Now we want chop. Uyo state government don't return the one where federal government say give them bags of rice. Other states they complain. Federal government we know say not be on a concern, but mokona still help to just stay inside house for 14 days, for 28 days or more, where person not planned for. Some people never practice these things since they born them before. Now just to go work, come back, sleep, go work again. They never get locked down for their life before. And see as people they tire every day, bad things they happen. Boys where they hungry, they enter street, they do different things. They oppress people, they bully people, they drag people back, they thief. Make una still give small thing. Make people mind for soft. Person will not eat go thief. Now, for Idadolo local government, for this same Kano state, they say they don't bury over 40 people for that cemetery. They just they bury people. They don't confirm wetin do them. Make we for dey aware. They just they bury people. And imagine now, today now, the number doesn't increase again. It be like say they get registered where for the court people name they put for different lists. I beg, we want to see the people where they die. We want to see different tests. Make people for believe. Now 1,273 people now don't catch this corona now, which they don't record. And now 237 people now they don't discharge. Say don't well, which they don't put for record. As we talk now, 40 people don't buy under this corona matter now, which they don't put for book. My brother, it not reach you. The matter pass like that too. May you first take care of yourself. Yes, stay at home. We know say business day where things don't they happen to, but now who they alive, now go continue that business. Federal government of Nigeria will beg una. NCDC will beg una. Make una use una mind for us. I beg. People they sick, people they hungry, people don't tire. Make una stay house. Now who they alive they progress. Africa unite. Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.